Yun po, no? So, last item in our coffee battle. So, meron po tayong MX3 dito. So, this was requested by one of our followers. Shoutout po kay Imong Albaitar. So, ito na yung request mo, MX3. So, dating gawin, kuha po muna tayo ng blood sugar reading and then we'll drink the MX3 and then go back after an hour. Tapos, measure ulit yung blood sugar and check natin yung spike sa blood sugar. Ito po tayo sa kabilang daliri. Okay. Yan. Yan. Ayan, so 128 po yung blood sugar reading natin. SAC. Pwede na po, pwede na. Tapos I'll drink the MX3 and then we'll see kung ano yung magiging blood spike niya after an hour. Okay? Babalikan ko po kayo. Yun po, so naka 1 hour na po tayo, no, since nung ininom ko po si MX3. So take na po tayo ng blood sugar and see kung ano po yung spike niya. Yan po. So I think nag-start tayo kanina ng 128. So it's 124. So it seems na bumababa pa siya. Mukhang kapareho lang siya nung sugar-free na coffee that I've tried before. No? So we'll see. Balik po ulit ako after an hour. And check ulit natin. See ya. Yun po, so measure na po tayo ng blood sugar level. And we'll see kung ano na pong may blood sugar spike po ba or wala si MX3. Okay. Yan po. So, continuous po, no? Bubaba pa po siya, no? So, I think we started at 128, 124, no? If I remember that correctly, and now it's 104. So, ibig sabihin, wala po siyang epekto sa blood sugar ko po. So, recommended po siya. Kapareho po ng mga sugar-free na coffee that I've tried. So, yeah. See you guys in the next vlog. Thanks. Bye.